Today I have brought a new penny stock which has huge future, and it's probably going to double in a week or in a month. I cannot say, but its probability is very high. The stock name is 3i Infotech Limited, and over you can see that its market cap is 1,254 crore and its enterprise value is 2,026 crore. Its depth is very low, 839 crore, and its sales growth is 19% and 34%. So, and it has little bit problem with the ownership because it's have only 7.5% of the stock is owned by the owners. And why I am recommending this stock for you, before you go to directly purchase, first of all, this information is purely based on the study purpose, not on the investment purpose. Please uh, study properly before you investing, and I didn't recommend you to go to directly invest in it. First of all, you recommend means just I am giving you little bit glimpse of this stock. So why I am recommending this stock, because these stocks recently, if you go to charts of the stock, you can see it's continuously sideways on a particular ground, and this position it has a little bit gone up, and 20 days EMI has crossed the 200 days EMI. So I can ish means I can 90% sure that the next stop of the stock will be up to this position 50 rupees, and who knows if it's gone to more than 50 or 150 approximately. But I am pretty much sure, 99% sure that it has a tremendous future because its market capitalization is very high, and the product it has basically give which I really attracted product is it's recently providing software for our AWACS, means in defense sector. Basically defense sector, the sector which is basically growing recently nowadays, and it's recently giving software for our and what I say, it's mm, simulation that DRDO is right now producing, and it's also providing softwares for the for what is airborne early warning systems, and P-time maritime something like that. P-type aircraft which is US has delivered to us to customize on Indian standard. They have also provided it, and they have also other areas where they provide. So I am right now going for 3i Infotech website, which is if you go to the website of there, uh, they provided different products, but the main product which I have attracted about this which it has provided, and one more important product which I really interested in, they have provided blockchain services. Blockchain services are basically bitcoins which are used by bitcoins, so it has tremendous future perspective. So I think you should think about this stock, and proper investing you should go for it. And if you can see the Zerodha, where the huge volume it has arrived, means 100 million volume, it's a huge quantities of stock has been purchased in previous months, uh, and today which I am right now going to upload this video, and this time tomorrow market will be the best position or time to invest in it, because you can see here is a flag pattern has been created, and I think tomorrow it will be on upper circuit, it will reach upper circuit, and let's see. what happened tomorrow, but I really recommended this stock. But before I just recommended it, but I don't instruct you to jump on it. First of all, stock market is investment is completely on your risk. Okay, invest carefully. But I am just notifying about this stock that it has tremendous future. Okay, so you can see the volume of this stock is very high. Only one disadvantage fact about this stock which I have seen is the ownership. Ownership of this stock is promoter. They have a 0% plug-in. So entire company is a public company. So there is no promoter. There was promoter before March 2021, but they have left out. So uh, so first of all, analyze everything before you investing. I just shown you the about the stock, and keep this stock in your watch list so that in future, if you have probability of getting a huge in profit from any stock, then I recommended this stock. But investment is purely based on you. I neither recommended you. I just shown you about this stock and perspective of it. And most important question about investment in this stock, sir, whether you have invested in this stock or not. So I would like to say you that I have already invested in it when stock has just up this candle, and the candle this candle I have invested in it, and I have purchased 5,000 quantity, not more, and I am holding it, and I'm holding it for a very long time. I am holding it for 1 to 2 years, and let's see what happened to it. And um, I hope you like this video. And right now I am in beginner in the YouTube, and regularly updating means improving myself and speaking qualities. Hope you understand it. How a beginner in the YouTube hesitate to speak or something like that. That is just now happening with me. Hope you forgive me. And please, if you are new, to subscribe this channel and hit a like button so that I get motivated to bring you much more video like this. Thank you.